Xiangyu folding drone will be your best mini drone. With unique foldable design, it's easy to carry and bring the fun to everywhere. This cool drone is equipped with different cameras. Besides, its professional remote control makes control and fly as easy as you need. High-definition Wi-Fi image transmission technology breaks the space constraints to bring you the whole new flying experience. Even more, a variety of flying modes to meet your different flying needs. A key function, convenient and flexible, so you can control it easily. Come on, come and get your own drone and start the flying fun from now on.